Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to today's segment. We are excited to welcome you here as we explore another interesting topic. Today, we are talking about one of the world's favorite fruits, red apples. Sweet, juicy, and nutrient-rich strawberries are more than just a tasty treat. They offer incredible health benefits, interesting history, and even surprising facts you didn't know. Why is red apple a superfruit? How to grow them at home? And what makes them special? Stay with us as we reveal everything you need to know about this amazing fruit. Let's start. The secret to growing perfect apples. Perfect apples don't just happen. They require the right combination of care, climate, and cultivation. The secret starts with choosing the best variety for your region. Some apples thrive in cold climates, while others prefer milder temperatures. Soil preparation is key. Apples need well-draining, slightly acidic soil enriched with organic matter. Regular watering, especially during dry spells, ensures steady growth. Proper pruning enhances air circulation and sunlight exposure, preventing diseases like apple scab and powdery mildew. Pollination is another crucial factor. Planting multiple apple trees or ensuring the presence of pollinators like bees will lead to better fruit production. Organic pest control methods, such as introducing beneficial insects or using neem oil, help protect apples without harmful chemicals. Finally, patience and care are essential. With consistent attention, your apple trees will reward you with crisp, juicy, and delicious fruit season after season.